I welcome you all to the ScienceNest YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the paper Year-End Test 2020 in Southern Province, Grade 8 Science. Okay, now we will see what are the answers for these questions. The organ that emits carbon dioxide gas as an excretory product is, the answer is lungs. Carbon dioxide gas is emitting from the lungs as an excretory product. To increase the frequency of a guitar, we will see what we have to do. The length of the strings should be increased? No. The strings should be thick? No. The strings should be stretched well. If we stretch the strings well, the frequency will increase. Answer number 3. Next one. The answer which shows the number of cranial nerves and spinal nerves. Answer number 2. 12 pairs of cranial nerves and 31 pairs of spinal nerves. Fourth one, the answer which shows only the animals with a vertebral column is. From here, answer number 1, cobra, skate, ichthyopis, all are vertebrates. All are vertebrates. They have got a backbone. All of they have got a backbone. Next one, the parts A, B, C in the diagram shows A is the left kidney, B ureters, and C is the bladder. Answer number 1. The incorrect statement regarding magnets is, we will see, the direction of a magnetic field is from North Pole to South Pole. It is correct. The compass shows the magnetic north. Yes. The area that the magnetic power is spread around a magnet is called the magnetic field. It is also correct. Soft iron is used to make permanent magnets. No. To make more powerful permanent magnets, ferrite is using. And soft iron is using when making temporary magnets. Answer number 4 is incorrect. What effect of electricity is tested from the setup shown in this diagram? In here, we are supplying electricity to the solution and the components in the solutions are breaking down, or in the solution, we are doing some changes by supplying the electricity. That means chemical effect of electricity is observing in this practical. Chemical effect of electricity. The answer which shows only the planets that can be seen by our naked eyes. Answer number 4. Mercury, Venus, Mars and Saturn. 9. In lightning, the electrical discharges take place through the clouds or between two clouds. In between two clouds, cloud lightning is occurring. Answer number 3. This is not a natural reason that causes droughts in Sri Lanka. Lack of timely monsoon winds, dry air currents and El Nino effect. Those are natural reasons, but irregular cultivation of crops is doing by the human, so it is not a natural reason. Answer number 2. 11th one, this is not an observation taken place when an iron nail is put into a copper sulfate solution. In here, the observations are dissolving the iron nail. It is not the answer, so it is the incorrect one. Answer number 1. Others can be seen when we are doing this experiment. Increasing the temperature, decreasing the color of the solution gradually. That means the copper sulfate solution is blue color. When the reaction is happening with the copper sulfate and iron, the blue color of the solution will disappear. Formation of brown color precipitation is also happening. This symbol depicts that. Answer number 2. It is prepared according to the standards prescribed by the standard institutes. Answer number 2. 13. Plants show various adaptations to avoid transpiration. Which of the following answer is incorrect regarding the adaptations and the example? Fleshy leaves showing by Komarika, it is correct. Leaves small in size in Navahandi, yes. Shedding leaves in dry seasons, rubber. Leaves become thorns, roses is the incorrect one. Answer number 4. Leaves become thorns. The example is cactus, not the roses. Roses have got leaves. 14. A circuit with 3 bulbs, 3 switches and 2 dry cells is shown in this diagram. The correct answer regarding the switches that should be closed to light the bulb A. To light the bulb A, we have to close the switch R definitely, and we can close the switch Q or P with that. Then the answer here is R and Q. Answer number 4. 15. In a current flowing conductor, the amount of current flowing is decreased. The strength of the magnetic field created by the conductor. That means if any conductor is carrying the current, around that conductor, magnetic field is generating. If the current flowing through it is decreasing, the magnetic field also decreasing. Answer number 1, decreased. 16. The respiratory speed in an involuntary action that cannot be controlled by our own, it is controlled by the respiratory speed is controlling by medulla oblongata. Involuntary means these things cannot be controlled by us. The involuntary actions cannot be controlled by us. Medulla oblongata is the part of the brain that can control these things. This is not a factor that affects directly for the formation of kidney stones. Answer number 1. Smoking and taking liquor is not directly affected for the kidney stones. Others are directly affected for the kidney stones. Drinking less amount of water, consuming too much salty food, delaying passing urine, these things are affected. 18. The setup shown below in the diagram is observed after several minutes of preparing it. What can be concluded by the observations? In the thistle funnel, there's a salt solution with condis. So we can see it in purple color. And there's a cellophane paper here in the mouth of the thistle funnel. The observation is after some times through this cellophane membrane, water is coming inside to the thistle funnel by the method of osmosis. Through the semi-permeable membrane, water particles are coming, water particles are traveling. The method is osmosis. Then you can see the condis and salt solution level will increase in the thistle funnel. The answer, we will see liquid level has gone up through the cellophane membrane. Answer number 1. Answer number 1. 19. The correct statement out of the following statements is, we will see when the resistance of a conductor increases, the current flowing also increases. No. Resistance is the obstacle to the flow of the current. No. So, if the resistance is high, the current is low. If the resistance is high, that means if the obstacle is high, the current flowing through the conductor is low. So, it is incorrect. Second one, resistors are used to change the current flowing in a circuit. Yes, that is the answer. We are using resistors to change the current flowing in a circuit. 20. Several facts forwarded by a grade 8 students as the steps that can be taken to reduce electric bill of the house are shown below. A. Obtaining electric necessities of the house from solar energy. Disconnecting the refrigerator during 7 to 10 p.m. Using ceiling fans, using LED bulbs for lighting the house. Actions that contribute for reducing the electric bill. Action A, B and D can be applied to reduce the electric bill. Answer number 3, A, B, D. Now we will see the paper 2. First question. The main function of the plant roots is that fixing the plant to the soil and absorbing water and minerals from the soil. Mention special functions done by plant roots shown below other than them. The first one you can see there's the pepper. In the pepper plant, for the climbing process of that, the climbing roots are helping. So the special function is for climbing. And next one you can see this is vanilla. In vanilla plant, there are green color roots have arisen. These green color roots contain chlorophyll pigments, so they can do the photosynthesis also. Next, you can see the roots have arisen from the stem. So these stem help for the stem. Support the stem. Next one, you can see the carapincha or curry leaves. In here, the small plants are arising from the roots of the curry leaf roots. Then, for vegetative propagation means generation of new plants by using the parts of the plant like roots, stem. This type of propagation is the vegetative propagation. Next one, mention 2 examples for instances that roots store food. Write down taproot. Store food in taproot in carrot and also in radish. Here, adventitious root, manioc and sweet potato. The adventitious roots are the roots that are arisen from the plant instead of the taproot. The roots around the taproot, this is the taproot of the plant, and the other roots that has arisen from the plant are known as the adventitious roots. And here these roots have stored food. In manioc and sweet potato, in carrot and radish, the taproot has stored the food. Next one, the most important part of the plant is the plant stem. Name 2 main functions done by the plant stem. One is bear the leaves, fruits, branches, all things are bearing, and also keep the plant upright. Because of the stem, plant is in upright position. Next one, 4th question. Complete the chart below regarding the plant stems that do special functions. Photosynthetic stems can be seen in daluk or cactus. Propagative stems can be seen in banana. And the stems that store food, answer sugar cane. And underground stems that store food and pollination, answer ginger. Onion, turmeric and potato can be taken. Next, B part. 3 dry cells, an ammeter, a voltmeter, piece of wire, a bulb and a switch are given to you. Using the above instruments, draw a suitable circuit that can measure potential difference and current. Okay, I'll draw. There's the bulb. The symbol is like this, and the switch is there like this, and cells, 3 dry cells are there. see dry cells. And here they have told us to connect the ammeter and voltmeter. I'll connect the ammeter here, series to the cells and the bulb also. And if you want to measure the voltage of the bulb, you should connect the voltmeter parallel to the bulb. Parallel to the bulb. This is the circuit diagram. According to the type of this circuit, what is the name used to identify the method of connecting dry cells? Here I have connected the dry cells in series method, one after the other. Series method. What is the voltage of the normal dry cell? 1.5 volts is the answer. Question number 2. A setup prepared to identify the action of microorganisms is shown below. Here 2 tablespoons of sugar were dissolved in 200 milliliter water and 1 tablespoon of yeast also was added to it. This mixture was put into a bottle and a balloon was fixed to the mouth of the bottle, like in the picture. Mention 2 observations that can be seen after few movements. One is balloon get inflated, and the other one, alcohol odor can be felt. Alcohol odor or the smell odor can be felt. Next one, what is the reason for these observations? One is carbon dioxide gas and ethyl alcohol has produced in the reaction between sugar and yeast. Between sugar and yeast. Answer for the second one. Next one, name 3 factors needed for the growth of microorganisms. Answers. Favorable temperature, moisture means wet nature, and the favorable pH value. Answers for the third one. Next one, what is the type of microorganisms that affect the epidemic condition through the world? Virus is the answer. What is the test done to identify whether this species of microorganisms enter to the human body? PCR test. The virus is coronavirus or COVID-19 virus. Next, B part. A crystal of condensed is put into water in a beaker and observed. In one activity done to study the nature of matter, what is the color of condensed? Condensed color is purple color. Write the observation you can see after few moments of putting the condensed crystals into water. Observation is purple color of condensed get spread through the water beaker. Last question of the second one. Write the things that can be concluded by this observation. The conclusion is liquids are discontinuous. Liquids are discontinuous. That means in between the liquid particles there are spaces. Among those spaces, the condensed particles can move up and everywhere. That is why you can see the color is spreading throughout the solution. Now we will see the third question here. Animals belong to several groups of vertebrates are shown below. Answer the following questions using these animals. An animal that has mammary gland. Mammary glands can be seen in mammals, so the dolphin is the answer. Dolphin is the answer. An animal whose forelimbs are adapted as wings. Answer parrot. Forelimbs are the front legs. Front legs has adapted as wings in parrot. An animal with dry scaly skin. Answer crocodile. Dry scaly skin, crocodile. An animal who has eyes without eyelids. Answer is balaya. The fishes have got eyes without any eyelid. An animal who undergoes metamorphosis. The answer is frog. Answer frog. Frog shows the metamorphosis. B part. An experiment setup has been prepared as shown below. When the sucker is operated after lighting the candle, an air current is drawn through the U-tube and bottled with lime water from the funnel. Then when we are keeping the air out from this lime water tube, the products of the candle are coming towards this U-tube and the lime water containing container. Then you can see when we are sucking the air out, the anhydrous copper sulfate turn into blue color and the colorless lime water turns into milky. The reasons are, when burning the candle, the products that produced here are carbon dioxide gas and the water vapor. Then mention two clear observations that can be observed after several times. I'll put the observations here. Anhydrous copper sulfate turns into blue color. Colorless lime water turns into milky. Next one, mention two substances obtained as products from the lighted candle. One is carbon dioxide and the other one water vapor. Mention three main factors needed for combustion. Write down the factors. One is combustible material. Combustible material should have and heated to ignition temperature. And supporter for combustion. That means oxygen gas. Supporter for combustion. Next one, name two elements present in every fuel. Carbon and hydrogen. Next one. Fourth question, a hacksaw blade and a strong bar magnet are supplied to you. How can you convert the hacksaw blade into a magnet? Convert, there should be V. Write down the answer. By contacting by rubbing the hacksaw blade with the magnet along one direction. By rubbing the hacksaw blade with the magnet along one direction. Then you can convert the hacksaw blade into a permanent magnet after rubbing it for a longer period of time. Bring iron fillings closer to the magnetized hacksaw blade. Write what you can observe. Iron fillings get attracted. Iron fillings get attracted because now the hacksaw blade is a magnet. Third one, what is the observation you get when the above hacksaw blade is heated strongly using a flame and brought closer to the iron fillings? If we heat strongly any magnet, the magnetic power will lost. Then the iron fillings are not attracting again. Iron fillings are not attracting. What happens to the hacksaw blade according to the observations in part 3 above? Magnetic power has lost. Magnetic power has lost. That is the reason. Next one, answer the questions using the elements and compounds given below. Made up of the elements C, H and O. Answer is glucose. Answer glucose. Next, a yellow color brittle substance. Answer sulfur. A metal which is available as a liquid at room temperature, it is mercury. In room temperature, it is a liquid, but it's a metal. Melting point is 0 Celsius in water. Controls combustion, we use carbon dioxide. For the control of the combustion. Made up of elements copper, sulfur and oxygen, copper sulfate. Copper sulfate. Next one, fifth question. This diagram shows two kinds of an instruments present in the laboratory. What is the laboratory instrument shown in the diagram? This instrument is tuning fork. Tuning fork. What is meant by frequency? Frequency means number of vibrations in unit time. Unit time means 1 second. Within 1 second, how many vibrations have occurred? That is the frequency. What is the frequency of Y? If Y makes 30 vibrations in 1 second, 300 Hertz, because 300 vibrations are there. If the frequency of X less or high relative to Y, you can see the X tuning fork is longer than the Y tuning fork. So the frequency of X is lower than the Y. Less. Answer less. When the length of the tuning fork is increasing, the frequency is decreasing. Mention a change that should be done to change the frequency of a guitar. Stretch the strings. Stretch the strings, then the frequency will increase. B part. This diagram shows an experiment setup done by students in grade 8. Name A and B in the setup. A, gas. B. Aquatic plant. Aquatic plant. How can you identify gas A? Oxygen gas. How to identify? Insert a flowing splint, it relight again. It relights again. That is the observation. And how to identify the oxygen gas? What is the process relevant for the collection of the gas in the tube? The process is photosynthesis. Next, fourth one. Name the main product of the above process done by the plants in the daytime. Main product is glucose. Next, it is advisable to add aqueous plants into a fish tank present in the house. Explain the reason. Reason is there should be aquatic plant, not aqueous plants. Aquatic plants. Because aquatic plants can do respiration and photosynthesis in water. Sixth question. The largest organ in the human body is the skin. Name the two main parts of the skin. One is dermis, the other one epidermis. You have to write down three main parts. Write down the hypodermis also. Mention a function done by melanin pigment present in the skin. Protect from UV rays of sun. Name two glands present in the inner layer of the skin. One is sebaceous gland. Sebaceous gland and sweat gland. Next one. Write another function done by the skin except the protection of internal organs. One is producing vitamin D. And the others, excretion, regulation of body temperature, acting as a sensory organ, all are the functions of the skin. B part. A chart that contains traditional methods used for preserving food is shown below. Write answers relevant for the numbers in blanks. Jack and green gram by drying. Jack seeds and lime keeping in the sand. Next, smoking. By the smoking method, we can keep fish. Immersing in bee honey, meat. Salting, lime can be taken. Last question. This diagram below shows how planets are located in an instance of solar eclipse. What is meant by solar eclipse? Situating the moon in between sun and the moon, sun and the earth. This is the solar eclipse. A, B, C. A is the sun, A. Sun, B. Moon, C is the Earth. On what days do solar eclipses often occur? In full moon days. Stages of the lifespan of fruit fly are shown below. Name the stages A, B, C, and D. A stage is egg stage. Eggs. B. Larva. C. Pupa. D is adult stage. What stage of the lifespan of fruit fly should be destroyed to control the fruit fly in a better way? We can destroy the larva easily. What type of metamorphosis take place in this lifespan? There are 4 stages in the life cycle, so this is complete metamorphosis. Name another pest that harms the agricultural crops. Another crop type, another pest type. Coconut red weevil. Coconut red weevil. How does the lifespan of cockroach differ from this lifespan? Cockroach shows incomplete metamorphosis and fruit fly shows complete metamorphosis. Okay, this is the end of the paper.